blizzard warning in effect from 10 a.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations between 16 and 20 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset counties. When? From 10 a.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.